Guys, I have some PLA Pro right here. Yes, I paid with it with my own money. And there's nothing else in the box. Here's the container. Let's look around. Okay, it's not an airtight bag. It's one of them cut types. So I got a knife. No point of saving it, even though it's pointless. Oh, it's black. I'm going to try this out. I'll put a link below the description. And yes, it comes on cardboard. And I do not know how strong it is. I'm not even going to test the strength because I don't have the equipment. I'm not that kind of a channel. But I'll run it through the printer as is. With whatever I'm going to throw through it. And show you guys the 3D prints I'm currently doing. Yes, I do some prints I don't record at all either. I have some prints I have just got done recently. I got one printer open. And I pay with this all with my own money. And if you want to, this stuff is usually really cheap when I'm buying it. I don't buy the top grade because it's too expensive. And I do give away a large chunk of my prints. Actually. But wait till a future video on this stuff. I'll put the link if I know which one I used in the video description of that video. Shorts are just the shortened version of it. Otherwise, like and subscribe. See ya next time.